Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Have you ever deleted a page in Notion only to realize later that you really need it back? Don't worry. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process of recovering deleted pages in Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to bring those lost pages back into your workspace, plus a few key tips to avoid any permanent mishaps. Let's dive right in. First, open up Notion and take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This sidebar is where you'll find all the navigation tools you need to manage your workspace. If you've recently deleted something, don't panic. Notion doesn't get rid of pages instantly. Instead, it keeps them in a special section called the trash for a limited time. Now, scroll down that sidebar. You may have to go all the way to the bottom, especially if you have a lot of pages and workspaces. You're looking for a menu item labeled trash. It's pretty easy to spot once you know it's there. Just keep an eye out so you don't miss it. Go ahead and click on Trash. This is like a virtual recycling bin where Notion stores any deleted pages for a while before they're completely gone. If you're dealing with a workspace that has lots of users or pages, this screen might look a little crowded. But don't worry, Notion gives you a way to search for your deleted page or filter the list. For example, you can search by page name, by last edited by, which is super useful if a teammate deleted something important, or by in team space to narrow things down. Take a moment here to carefully scan for the page you want to recover. It might take a few minutes if you have lots in the trash, but it's definitely better than losing your work forever. Once you find your deleted page, look for the Restore option next to it. Just click Restore, and Notion will bring your page back into your workspace right where it was before. This step is wonderfully simple, but double-check to make sure you pick the right page, especially if there are several with similar names in your trash. After you've restored a page, it should reappear instantly in the workspace. If you were working on a parent page that had child pages inside it, here's a helpful tip. Notion will restore those child pages automatically. That means if you deleted an entire section or project folder, you'll get back all the nested notes and subpages too, saving you the hassle of tracking them down one by one. Now, a few important things to keep in mind so you don't run into trouble later. Deleted pages sit in trash for 30 days by default. That means if you don't act within a month, Notion removes them permanently, and there's no way to recover them after that. So, if you know you'll need something back, don't put it off. That said, if you're on an enterprise plan, your workspace owner may have customized this retention period, so it could be shorter or longer. Definitely something to check with your admin if you're working in a big team. One last word of caution, and it's an important one. If you click Permanently Delete on a page in the trash, that page is gone for good. There's no undo after that. So take a careful look before you click, especially when you're cleaning up your workspace. And that's how you recover deleted pages in Notion. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and share your questions in the comments below. I check those regularly and would love to help out. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more practical Notion tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.